So basically, dry needling is inserting a thin monofilament needle into the muscle to elicit a twitch response where we can release trigger points. Trigger point is basically just a hyper irritable spot in the muscle, or a knot. Most of us say, hey, I got knots in my muscle. More than likely that's a little trigger point. And so what I usually say is trigger points are kind of commonly uncommon. Like, everybody has them. It's whether or not they're bothering us or they're causing pain. And there's two kinds of trigger points. There's active, and those are the ones where you pinch your shoulder, it goes into your head, or maybe you're getting headaches from it. That's more of an active trigger point, versus a latent trigger point, which is one that's just kind of there. That's what a lot of people have. It's not real pain, it's not bothering us, but it's there. Maybe it's sore, tender when we push on it. And so with the dry needling, what we're doing is trying to release those trigger points so we can have less pain, better function, better mobility. It's a very safe and effective technique that I use with a large portion of the people that I see. Also use it on myself occasionally. Trigger point dry needling is not acupuncture. Trigger point dry needling is a little bit more Western medicine in that it started back in the 50s and 60s with two doctors that were trying to map out trigger point referral patterns. They're saying, if I poke something here or inject something here, where does it radiate to? And so kind of starting with that, they started to realize that the needles were causing a response. And so over time, this technique got developed and then was more popularized by another doctor down the road. And so we're thinking of it more as a musculoskeletal technique in which we're trying to improve how a muscle function or how we move, or having less pain. And so it's a little bit more specific to that Western medicine approach versus an Eastern medicine approach. So just to wrap it up, I think that dry needling is one of the best techniques that I have in my bag. And so it's something that I do daily, and I think that it can help you. Give me a call if you have any questions about it.